Alright, we're going to be doing a unboxing video on some, you could just say, nostalgic stuff. We got a bracelet and a band shirt that I've wanted for a while. So this bracelet, it's like the I Heart Boobies bracelets, but they give you a random color, and what they gave me was a pink. So I Heart Boobies. Go ahead and show that one more time. They gave me a good color. I'm glad about that. They gave me a cool color. Nice. That's very cool. I'm happy about that. And now this is the big one. I'm not. This is cool looking. This was some kind of thank you letter. Cool looking. Okay. Some random Star Wars sticker on the packaging. I'm not sure if this is something from Star Wars, or I'm not sure if this is originally Star Wars packaging or what, but anyway. There's your little preview. You might know what it is already. I'll put it down flat. Alrighty. And here it is. It is a day to remember. It's the Pacman shirt with keep running your mouth on the back. This is a design I've wanted for a long time, especially with A Day to Remember being one of my favorite bands. I have to say, this shirt looks really better. It looks even better in person. I mean, there are other colors of this that I like as well. Blue, yellow, black. I have tie-dye. I have so many colors, different colors of this design. And I was lucky enough to find the red one. Usually they're like 50, 60 bucks, but this was like 30 something. And I was lucky enough to get it. I had to pounce on it as soon as I found it. So yeah, I mean, the ghosts are beating the crap out of Pacman. They're not taking his bullshit. And it is a size large, and it looks like this is a all style. Okay, yeah, I remember these tags. I'm not sure when exactly this was made, but what era this shirt was printed, but I'm going to take a guess at latest, maybe early 2010s, based on the tag. And of course, there's the back. Keep running your mouth. Really classic shirt design. Been wanting this for well over a decade, and I finally got it. So that is my quick video for a I Heart Boobies bracelet and A Day to Remember Keep Running Your Mouth Pacman shirt. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I'll keep these random videos going. I'll do more nostalgic videos about other stuff too. But I'll see you. Peace.